Okay, kids. Lahat po ng nakikinig dito po, tingin kay Ate Jel. Tingin kay Ate Jel. Savannah, come here. Savannah, it's okay. Okay? Lahat po ng nakikinig, tingin po kay Ate Jel. Harap po kay Ate Jel. Hi, kids! Nasaan po si Ate Jel? Ayun, very good. Okay. Lahat po ng nakikinig, ayan, dito po. Tingin po kay Ate Jel po dito. Ayan, okay. Sige, kids, ha? Ganito po, Alright. Sino po ang marunong magbilang? Sino marunong mag-count? Wow, very good. Okay, sige. Ganito po ang ating first game. Okay, Ate Chichi? Okay? Pag sinabi po ni Ate Jel na, kids, double the sinking. Group yourselves into two. Ilan dapat kayo? Dalawa lang po. Dapat, okay? Ayun, kanyari si Ate Chichi at si Ate Isabel, mag-partner sila kasi. Sabi ni Ate Jel, group yourselves into two. Ito lang po. Kailangan po maghanap ka pa po ng iba mong partner. Ayun. Kunyari, ayan si Ate Savannah, wala siyang naka-partner. Okay? Matatanggal siya, pero huwag kang mag-alala kasi may prize ka pa rin kay Ate Jel. Okay? Pero hindi pa yan game, ha? Instruction pa lang yan ni Ate Jel. Okay? Baby girl, come here. Join ka na. Ayaw? Ayaw? Okay, sige. Sige po, at dahil dyan po, hiwa-hiwalay po tayo. Hiwa-hiwalay. Scatter po tayo. May English speaking po ba dito? Meron po. Sino po dito? Sino po dito, ma'am? Sige, baby girl, upo ka na. Joke lang. si Chichi po ba? Si Chichi. Okay, Chichi. Okay? You know now, you understand what Ate Jel said earlier. Okay? So you have to group yourself what number will Ate Jel say, okay? Okay? For example, Ate Jel says, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into two. So you have to find your partner, okay? You have to group yourself into two, including you. Okay po? Alright? Okay, Ape Ate Chichi. Wow, very good. Okay, sige. Hiwa-hiwalay po ulit tayo. Hiwa-hiwalay. Hiwa-hiwalay po tayo. Social distancing muna. Social distancing. Okay, kids. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into what number, ma'am? Three. Three daw po. Ayan, thank you po. Ayun, si Ate Sam wala na. Pero syempre, Ate Sam, huwag ka mag-alala kasi may prize ka pa rin kay Ate Jel. Palakpakan naman natin si Ate Sam. Okay, kami po tayo next week, okay? Babawi tayo next week, syempre. Bye-bye, Ate Sam. Okay, sige, kids. Hiwa-hiwalay po ulit tayo. Hiwa-hiwalay. Alright. Okay, kids. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into four. Four lang po. Dalawa na dito. Dalawa. Sino tatanggalin niyo dyan? Kailangan na isang patatanggal. Ayun, si Juan. Kami yan dito, Kuya Juan. May ibibigay ko si Ate Jel. Alright. Thank you so much, Kuya Juan. Alright. Pwede, Okay. Okay ba? Ang lungkot. Alright, okay. Sige, kids. Hiwa-hiwalay po. Hiwa-hiwalay. Scatter. Okay, very good. Okay, kids. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into five. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Si Ate Pao, si RR, tsaka si John. Isa po kayo dyan. Si Ate Pao, sige po. Si John, Kuya Matthew. Come here po kayo dito kay Ate Jel. Punta po kayo dito kay Ate Jel. Ba't sa kanila? Or pinag-record na po? Ayun. Thank you so much. Bawi po tayo next game. Alright. Good. Okay, kids. Time na lang po tayo, Okay, pwede po bang move tayo here sa center? Dito po sa gitna. Ayun, very good. Okay, sige kids. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into Ayun, so yun si Sai. Pwede po bang makakirm ako ng party hats niya para naman makilala siya ni Ate Jel? Okay, wag niyo pong tatagalin yung party hats ninyo, ha? Okay. Ate Sai, come here. Maibibigay sa inyo si Ate Jel. Ayun, very good. Appear. Appear naman tayo dyan. Wow, okay. Sige, pabawi tayo next game po, ah. Babawi tayo next game. Okay, sige kids. Hiwa-hiwalay po ulit. Scatter. Scatter po ulit. Okay, kids. The bolt is sinking. Group yourselves into two. Practice lang yan, alright? Kids, the bolt is sinking. Group yourselves into three. Ayun. Ayun, si Ate Chichi. Ate Chichi, come here ka kay Ate Jo. Come here kay Ate Jo. Ayun, very good. Ate Chichi, may fight ka pa rin kay Ate Jo. O, papawi tayo next game, alright? Alright, okay, up here. Very good. Okay. Sige po, pwede na po ikaw. Thank you so much. Okay, sige kids. Tatlo na lang po kayo, okay? At dahil dyan, kids, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into one. Yan, very good. Okay, sige. At dahil dyan, kids, okay, kayo lang tatlo ang panalo. Palakpakan naman po natin. Okay. At dahil dyan, may prize kayo kay Ate Jel. Okay, happy cup. Okay, pwede po ba? May mag-picture po ba sa kanila, ma'am? May mag-picture po ba? Ayan, ayan. Together with our birthday celebrant, Ate Isabel, ikaw po sa gitna. Ayan. Alright. Sige po, tingin po doon sa camera. 3, 2, 1, smile! Okay. Thank you so much po sa mga nag-join, ano? At kayo naman. Okay. Nag-enjoy na yung mga kids natin. Magpapatalo ba, ma'am? Mga titos and titas natin